Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to target and show your ads to active customers, buyers and people with money. Okay, so we are going to make use of engaged shoppers and purchased with offer. Okay, behavior targeting criteria. Okay, that's exactly what we're going to do now. So when you're trying to find active customers, right, within your interest or within your niche, one of the best ways to do it, for example, this is luxury goods, but I'm going to take it up. I'm going to do something else. Let me find something else. I'm going to find something else to put here that might make sense. Let's say yoga, for example. Yoga fitness teacher. So let's do yoga fitness. Cool. So now what I have done is I like to be very specific, guys. I like to play around with targeting criteria and understand the data within that targeting criteria. So I like to clear up. What I like to clear up, I like to clear up each targeting criteria and find out people that will buy, people that don't buy, people that won't buy. Targeting criteria that don't work for me, I kill. Targeting criteria that make me money with high ROAS, I double down on them. All right. So in this video, what I've done is chosen a specific city, Boston, Massachusetts. Right. Um, and I've chosen a specific age range, 25 to 45, 20 years different. And I've gone with yoga fitness. I'm assuming I'm selling a yoga product, for example, right? I've gone with the interest yoga fitness, but I haven't stopped there, right? And instead of me stacking it with extra interest, what I've done is match it up with behaviors. Because what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to find active customers. That's exactly what I'm trying to do. So I have narrowed it down, as you can see, and must also match engaged shoppers. Now, what is engaged shoppers? You know, people who have clicked on the call to action button, shop now, in the past week. All right. It's very important to understand this. People who have clicked on the call to action button, shop now in the past week. Now, does it mean that everybody that clicked on the shop now button it actually went on to purchase? No. But what you could also do is and must also match. So narrow it down further to people that have purchased with an offer. So people who are more likely to purchase with an offer. Okay, try an offer there, guys. If they 5%, 10%, you know, my could actually convince people or persuade people to buy your product or use your service. So when you've done that, you have a nice pool of people, and you could run this. You could run this as conversions. You could run this as leads. One of the benefits of being very specific with your targeting is that you don't have to worry too much about what objectives you are using to run, what objectives you have chosen, okay, for your ad campaigns. Realistically, you should always go with conversions. So now it is called sales. You should always go with the sales objectives. Okay, realistically, because the algorithm is going to optimize for people that are most likely to purchase a product. So imagine combining the sales objective with a specific targeting criteria that actually gets you active customers. That ad set is most likely to perform because now what's going to happen is that out of the pool of people interested in yoga, Facebook is going to show it to people that are engaged shoppers. So people that have actually taken action and clicked on the shop now button in the past 1 week. All right. But from that pool, they are also going to look at people that have purchased with an offer. And guys, you know, I know here they said people who are more likely to purchase with an offer, but what it technically means that people would have done this in the past, either in the past 1 month or in the past 2 months. It doesn't say, but people that have done this in the past, they are more likely, or people that have done it multiple times, they are more likely to purchase your product or purchase your services when it comes at an offer. So if you have a nice 20% discount or free delivery or you know entice them with, or you get an extra item, or things like that. Improve your offer, make your offer enticing, and these people in the pool will buy from you. So this is one way you can find active customers, and you could do this worldwide, guys, because I could also I'm going to try and do this in Nigeria as well. So I'm going to clear this up. I'm going to say, let's see, Lagos. I like to be very specific, guys. I don't like broad. I like to be specific. I like to narrow down my targeting. All right, so okay, that was too narrow. Let's go Lagos State. Um, that is too narrow. So keep testing. You need to test and see what exactly works for you. Oh shit, still city. Okay, let me do something. Let me do this. Let's do this. All right, let's do this. You keep testing until you find something that works. All right, there's a reason why this is being very. It might be because of this purchase with an offer. Maybe let me fix it. All right, guy. All right, guys. So one thing I noticed is that the purchase with offer uh, targeting criteria does not work for all countries. For example, Nigeria. I think Facebook does not have enough data to be able to serve um, to be able to serve. So what I've done is remove the purchase with offer in the case of Nigeria, right? Because I want to be specific. I don't want to target the whole country. So because I want to be specific with a specific city within Lagos State, or within Nigeria, I would rather take off the purchase with offer than expand the criteria to the whole of Nigeria. Okay, I like to be specific with my locations, guys. It is very important. Um, so what I've done is I've changed this. I've gone fashion accessories, but you could go yoga as well. But I've done fashion accessories. You could do that too. And I've also narrowed it down to engaged shoppers, so people that have clicked on the shop now button in the past 1 week. So I have a nice audience of 114,000 to 134,000. That is okay for me. I like that. So now you could run a conversions or sales ad campaign to these audience, or you could run a lead ad campaign to these audience, right? And most likely you're going to find interested buyers or interested customers, right? So that is one way you could do. You could also, guys, always use a suggestion. Look at your suggestion and see exactly what it is saying, right? Facebook payment users 30 days, Facebook payment users 90 days. Try it. Marketing is about testing, test, right? Pick up a targeting, put together a targeting a pool or targeting criteria, test it, run an ad, and see exactly what you're getting. What exactly is the data showing you? Right? Are people clicking on your ad? Are people staying on your website? For example, are you receiving messages? Are the messages serious buyers? All these things are going to let you know if your targeting criteria was right. You want to be specific with your ideal customer. It is extremely important, guys. Be specific with your ideal customer. Okay? Be specific when it comes to your ideal customer. Um, so you don't waste money. So you are not giving Facebook free money. Your every single dollar you spend has to work for you. Has to be productive. Every single dollar, every single naira has to be productive, right? So in specific countries, you might not be able to use the purchase with offer, behavior targeting um, criteria, but in active countries, maybe wealthy countries, like for example America, I chose Boston, the city of Boston, and I was able to get a nice pool of people between 50 to 60K people that could actually run ads too. So depending on the country you're going for, Facebook might not have sufficient data for certain specific targeting you know, criteria or targeting tools. Okay, so that is going to be all for this video, guys. I just wanted to show you how to find active customers, active customers, people with buyers and people with money. Um, if you found this video valuable, guys, like the video. I'm going to be doing videos that are similar to this to be able to help you find and reach your customers, because that is exactly what you're doing, right? That's exactly what your business needs. No business would survive without making sales, and you have to do that in a way that makes sense, okay, in a way that you are profitable. Okay, so if you found this video valuable, guys, like it. Feel free to express yourself in the comment section. um, Subscribe to our channel, and see you next time, guys. Check in our description. We offer various services for people for various worldwide services, or people living in Nigeria, for example. We have various digital marketing services that we could offer. If you are a business owner, or if you are a business owner, or you just want to be very good with digital marketing, check our services and see exactly what services is going to be suitable to you, and reach out to us. Um, See you next time, guys.